This is a dry run to check and resolve issues that may come up before the nano coating and final assembly of the Magrav. Okay, I want to shoot this video of this idea I got for routing this top magnetical output coil down to the bottom set of capacitors. Anyway, I got a downhole in each one of these stacker trays. But if I thread it through the downhole first, I got a real sharp angle here, and it makes it kind of difficult to thread it through. So I got the idea, I'll just make a long arc with the thing and cut a slot in each one of these, and then after I finish threading it through, I'll just punch it into the slot and hold it in the downhole. So I'm going to try it for the first time. Okay, so anyway, it's going on this front connection here on this capacitor bank on the right. So I'm just going to insert it in here. So I got a long arc on it. There's no tight kinky turn or anything. So I'm just going to push it in there. This is a dry run. These are not nano coated, but I'm doing this now to see how it works. So when it's nano coated, I don't want it to like stress the wire or scratch it or anything. So let's see. There we go. So I got it in. So I'm going to pull it through. Okay, let's see how it goes. Well, it's in there. It's good enough to do. It's a little kinky in here. Yeah, there's a kink right there. Okay, so let's see if I can, I'm going to pull it through. And hopefully I'll have a better wire next time. There we go. Okay, so that's sort of the idea. Now what I would do is, when it's nano coated, I would just loop that wire around, just like these here. So it has a loop in on itself. So now that I got it in place, I'm just going to line it up with these notches and just punch it in. See if it works. There it goes. Okay. Okay, so there it is. It's in the down holes, and it just went through that little notch or that slot. It went in real clean, real slick. Okay, so that's the end of that video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.